Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Ven Pongal is a traditional comforting breakfast dish from Tamil Nadu. Pongal is a filling and delicious breakfast and it's usually made with rice and lentils. So today's recipe is famous Pongal from Tamil Nadu. In Tamil, Ven means white and Pongal means boiling or overflowing. Pongal is usually served with sambar or coconut chutney. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll have a look at the ingredients. 1 cup of raw rice, 3/4 cup of yellow moong dal, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee, few curry leaves, 1 small piece of ginger. So now first take the rice and dal, add it to a bowl and wash it 2 to 3 times with water and drain the water and keep it aside. So now we'll take a pressure cooker and add the rice and dal to it, and also we will add 3.5 cups of water to it, and we'll add salt as per our taste and 1 teaspoon of ghee, and close the lid and cook it on high flame for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, reduce the flame to low to medium and we can cook for 3 more whistles. Once it is done, switch off the flame and keep the cooker undisturbed at least for 15 to 20 minutes, which will make the rice and dal to cook very well. So in the meanwhile, we'll prepare the tadka. For that, in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. When it is hot, we can add some 10 to 12 cashews and fry to light golden color. When it starts turning color, we'll add cumin seeds, peppercorns, and finely chopped ginger, few curry leaves, and we'll saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Off the flame and we'll keep it aside. So now we'll check the rice and dal, how it has been cooked. So once the pressure is released, we'll just check the rice. So it has been cooked very well. You can see that it is very smushy and soggy. This is the perfect consistency. If you find it is a bit hard, you can add some boiling water, 1 or 2 cups of boiling water, and match the consistency by cooking it for some 2 minutes. Or if you find it is very watery, you can just cook for 2 more minutes. Now I am adding some hing and also the tempering and mix them well so that the flavor is infused well. You can also add 2 teaspoons of ghee, which will increase the flavor of our pongal. So mix them well and you can cook for 1 minute. So friends, you can see that tasty and yummy Ven Pongal is ready. It is a very healthy breakfast recipe. You can give it for small babies also. It is a very healthy breakfast recipe. Sambar or chutney goes well with pongal. So friends, try this tasty and healthy recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching this video.